Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be looking at the definition of the theme and the reasons for selecting the theme. Now this is going to be a short and spicy one, so let's begin. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly.
Artwork Fly.
Alright, so definition of the theme. So whatever your theme is, you're going to find the definition of your theme using Google or whatsoever source you're going to use to find the definition. Alright, go on Google, type in your theme. So let's say your theme is nature. You're going to type that word nature into Google and see what you can find. Now you're going to ensure that you research the background information on your theme, such as the origin, the history, the examples, types, etc. The main things you're going to try and find about your theme, okay? Number 3, read and choose the most important parts, as I mentioned. Number 4, 1 or 2 pages. Based on your theme, it can be 2 pages, it can be 1 page, but I recommend 1 page, or probably 1 paragraph can do. Alright, depending on the theme and or depending on what the teacher says you should do, okay? But you can always comment down below and let me know your opinion. Alright, so the next one, reasons for selecting theme, or reason for selecting the theme. Alright, number 1, who or what inspired you to choose the theme and why? Now, for the persons who have not been watching the series, remember the questions are there to help you to write a paragraph. Okay, so you're not going to write out this question and then put the answers underneath it. No, you're going to use these questions to create a paragraph. I won't go over that again. Please to watch the first video, so I will not be going over that again. Alright, so number 1, who or what inspired you to choose the theme and why? Number 2, how does the theme make you feel? Number 3, why does it make you feel the way you feel? Number 4, how does it impact or inspire others and why? And number 5, how does it help you and or have an impact on society and why? So these questions help you to build your paragraph for this section here. So this is going to be on a different page when you're doing your Csec visual arts journal, okay? So yes, so that is it for today for the definition of theme and reason for selecting the theme. If you have any question on these, you can always comment down below and I will do my best to respond. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.